what you say. That you only meant well, cause you did. Biggie, what you say. That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say. That it's all for the best, because it is. What you say. This is what we need. You decided this. What you say. What did she say?
I'm free as a motherfucking bird, I swear. Disappearing thin air, that go game, nigga, where? Posted on the block in the black airs, and that all-black phantom hug the block like a bear. Yeah, that V12 is roaring, flying through the city with the pedal to the floor. Then I put them 26 inches on the curb, tell the hood I'm back, give me a corner, let me serve. Word, I'm still dope, that's my word. All I did was switch the kitchens and subtract all the birds. Y'all know I'm a murderer. Half these niggas beefing with me, I never heard of them. If I was to own me, I would murder them. Matter of fact, if I was to own me, I would Curtis them. Courtesy of my Smith & Wesson, I kill tracks like AIDS, nigga, get infected.
Yeah. My true Z was on the tear with no tears should fall. Cause he was on the block where no squares get off. See in my inner circle, all we do is ball. So we all got triangles on our wall. Ain't just rapping for the platinum, y'all record, I recall. Cause I really been there before. 7 years ago, prepared to flow, prepared for war. I should fear no man, you don't hear me though. These words ain't just paired to go in one ear, out the other ear. No, yeah, my balls and my word is all I have. What you gonna do to me, nigga? Scars and scab. What you gonna box me, homie? I could dodge a jab. 3 shots couldn't touch me, thank God for that. I'm strong enough to carry Biggie Smalls on my back. And the whole BK, nigga, holla back.
Biggie, what you say. Say